Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can add in a new wallpaper to the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Wallpaper. Now in here, tap on Add New Wallpaper. Then in here you can select a wallpaper style that you want to use. So at the top section here are feature wallpapers that you can select. So they are preset. And then you can go down, you got weather and astronomy and emoji, unity, pride, collections, and many more. Okay, so select one of the preset wallpaper that you want to use. So for example, we can select on a weather and astronomy. At the top here are widgets. So if you tap on the widget, you'll be able to select different type of widgets for the wallpaper. So at the top here are the small bar. So here you got weather. You can replace the date with weather. You can choose calendar events, clock, Facebook notifications, fitness, health, and many more. So select what you want to display, or you can simply just use the default settings. In here are clocks. You can change the font and color of your clock. So here you can see we have different font style that you can choose. Then in here you got different color. You can use the color picker or this picker from the spectrum or the slider. Okay, so choose your favorite color. We can tap on grid, select a color from the grid, and then tap on close. Okay, so that is the color there. In here you can change your color intensity, and here we can change the size or the thickness of your font. And next up is the last widget. So you got 3 different widgets. You got the top one, the skinny one, the middle ones for the date for the clock, and then you got down here mini widgets. So in here in this panel, the last panel allow you to add in different type of widgets. You got the larger one and the smaller one. So select a widget that you want to replace it with, or you can leave the default widget. So that's up to you. So I'm going to remove this one, and I'm going to add in the battery widget instead. And that's it. So that is how you can customize your custom wallpaper. Here you can choose different planets or different type. So we've got Jupiter, Mars, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, solar system. And then tap on add. And then here you can choose set as wallpaper pair. You can choose whether to use it for the home screen only or for the lock screen only. So here you can customize a different wallpaper for your home screen, or you can simply tap on done. So here we tap on done. So we have this wallpaper now has been applied to the lock screen and the home screen. So you can see the lock screen and the home screen is a little bit different because of that customization that we can set. So in here you can tap on the customize button. So if we go back into settings, in settings if you go down and tap on wallpaper, in here you can tap on the customize button, and this will allow you to customize your wallpaper. You can make it blurred. You can add in photo, background photo for that. So that's just the background photo. You can choose gradient, or you can set a plain color or a pair, and then tap on done. So those are the options, different options that you can customize for your wallpaper. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Now another way for you to add a wallpaper is to do it directly from your lock screen. So here on my lock screen I can touch and hold onto that. Then you can tap on the add button here, or you can swipe across and tap on add new, and in here you can add in a new wallpaper. Now again, you can swipe across to get different style for that particular wallpaper. Then tap on add. You can also tap on customize here. So appearance, automatic, light or dark. So you can set the appearance type. And here we got the depth effect on or depth effect off. And again, you can customize your widgets at the top or leave it as the default, and then tap on set as wallpaper pair. So that is another option, is to add in a wallpaper directly from your lock screen. Here I can select the one, and if I lock my screen, this is what it looks like. And that's it. One more thing that I haven't mentioned is that you can actually also add in your own photos on the wallpaper. So if I go into settings and tap on customize, and now I think because we have already added, so what we're going to do is add in new wallpaper, and at the top here you can choose photo, and then in here in photos you can scroll down and select photos that you want to use for your wallpaper, and then you can swipe across. That will apply different color filters to your wallpaper. You can also crop the picture by simply zooming in and out, and you can move them around the screen like that. And then from here we can swipe across for the different color filter effects. You can also change your color style in here as well. And then tap on add to add your wallpaper, or we can cancel for now, just so that I can show you a few more things. So here you got color, astronomy. You can choose the astronomy, weather in here. So you can choose weather in here to add in the wallpaper. Once you're happy, just tap on add button and tap on set as wallpaper pair. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.